you're not going to be in this?
He's there. Okay, so we're rolling. We're out here on Memorial Day weekend. This is Saturday. Last week, across the river, we stretched a line off of a spring, 100 feet of elevation, 300 feet of 6-inch line to the other side of the river. And the mission today and maybe tomorrow is to stretch a cable across the river and then suspend our pressure hose from the cable and get our water to this side of the river, because the rich deposit that we located is right down here on the edge of the river. So we want water over here. This is our crew. Hey, you guys, say hi to the world.
Hello.
And I'll let Cliff kind of explain it. He's really the engineer behind all this. What's the deal with this piece of metal? What's that about?
Well, we fabricated a tripod, and the idea is there's an eyelet at the top, and we're going to hang a large pulley from that eyelet, and the cable is going to be attached to a large tree on the opposite side of the river.
Over there.
Yep. That cable is going to be strung across the river.
Yep.
It's going to go through the pulley that's hanging on the eyelet.
Okay.
And then we're going to anchor that to this root system on the bottom. That's going to be our anchor down here.
And that's a solid root system.
Solid, real solid.
That's about as good as it gets.
We're going to draw that cable nice and tight.
Yeah.
Once that cable's tight, we have some 4-inch flex hose, some pressure hose. We're going to strap little pulleys to the flex hose.
Yeah.
About every 10 feet we'll have a pulley.
Yeah.
We're going to run that hose up to the cable.
Yeah.
And we're going to pull that hose all the way across to the other side, so that we can bring our 4-inch water supply from the opposite side of the river all the way to this side, and then that water is going to drop down right here next to the bank on the rocks.
Okay, we're going to drop it down. Yep.
We're going to drop it down.
That's right where we want it.
It's right where we want it, right out there.
Cool. That's the plan. That's today's plan.
That's today's plan.
And this is our crew, the guys that show up when you ask.
We're not getting paid?
You're getting paid in gold, buddy. Because Diane, she always shows up. Okay. So let's go to the next step.